Yeah,
rig that election?
The word rig, it's unfortunate for anybody to use the word rig. I don't work for INEC. I don't have INEC documents with me. I'm not an ad hoc staff of INEC. And so I'm not in a place to rig election for anybody. It's when you have the materials of INEC that you can now talk about rigging. But I take exception to Peter Obi's comment that I came out against him. People are not being sincere. People are not being, people are not appreciative. In 2019, asked Peter Obi. I was one of the teams that chose Peter Obi to be the vice presidential candidate of Elijah Tugambada. When we met in Elijah Tugambada's house, he said, these are the names. And we choose Peter Obi. Peter Obi was invited while we were in Saraki's house in the night. I was fought by people like Ipoemadu. My own friend, the governor of Ebonyi State, people like Piosai. Every blame was on why would I be the one that would say Peter Obi, why should I choose for the service? Did he come out to say Governor Wike was the one who supported me to be the vice presidential candidate? He didn't say so.